football all the way at the FIFA World Football Museum. So before starting this chapter, one question is there for you. Which building was turned into the FIFA World Football Museum? Let us think and tell me the answer. So the answer of this question is Haus zur Eng. And the second question is, who is the president of FIFA? Gianni Infantino. So, do you like to play football? And what is your dream to be? So, let us start. I love to play football. In fact, it is my dream to be an international football player. My parents have promised to take me to see the FIFA World Football Museum in Zurich, Switzerland. It means the FIFA World Football Museum is situated in Zurich, Switzerland. The FIFA World Football Museum belongs to FIFA and it is also managed by the association. The museum was inaugurated on February 28, 2016, and the meaning of inaugurated is to put something into use or action officially. And the next point is the word of football has been captured in the exhibition area of the museum. The structure occupies 3 floors. Now the two words are there, exhibition and occupies. So the meaning of exhibition is a collection of things shown publicly. And the meaning of occupies is of an army or group of people to move into and take control and you can say or possession of a place. It means the word of football has been kept, you can say captured in the museum for exhibition. And the structure means the building of FIFA has 3 floors. The museum contains the original World Cup trophy and the exhibits more than 1000 select memorabilia and apparel. Meaning of exhibit is it is a plural, an object that is shown to the public in a museum, etc. And meaning of memorabilia, objects that are collected because they are connected with a person or event that you want to remember. And the meaning of apparel is clothes, it means a special type of cloth. So, the original World Cup trophy is kept in the museum and more than 1000 memorable objects, you can say things, and apparel are also kept in museum for exhibition. The national football shirts of members of all the FIFA associations have also been displayed in the museum. There is so much to see and do at the FIFA World Football Museum. The FIFA World Cup Gallery in the FIFA World Football Museum should definitely be visited. The museum has an audio-visual media display system, visions of football, with massive LED screens to depict memorable moments of bird football. Means to show memorable moment of bird football on the huge LED screen. And the original FIFA World Cup trophy is kept in the basement. The museum boasts of a feature known as the cinema, which screens a stunning 180-degree film of all the World Cups. And the meaning of boast is to have or own something to be proud of. It means museum has a stunning, we can say very attractive or impressive 180-degree film screen, the cinema, to be proud. The world's first walk-in pinball machine found at the FIFA World Cup Museum is an interactive multimedia arrangement. And the meaning of interactive is used to describe a system or computer program that is designed to allow the user to exchange information with it. So we can exchange information by multimedia arrangements. So let's watch this video.